Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable Steam Games Auto Update. So if you weren't trying to disable automatic updates for a particular game, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Library tab, and then on the left panel, select the game you're looking to turn off the automatic updates for, and then select Properties. On the left side, you want to select Updates, and then where it says always keep this game updated, click in the drop down, and you can set either always keep this game updated, the game and its updates will be automatically acquired as soon as they are available. Only update this game when I launch it, updated content will be acquired only when launching this game. Or high priority, always auto update this game before others. This game and its updates will be automatically acquired as soon as they are available. Steam will prioritize this game over other downloads. So unfortunately, there isn't a way to automatically just completely turn off all updates for the Steam games. However, if you're currently set to high priority, it's going to download much more frequently. If you want to only acquire updates when you're launching it, that's probably the middle ground here. But that's pretty much your options here that you have to work with. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.